I did not do my eye makeup for nothing. Perfect.
What's the thing?
No, it's fine. This might feel random because it is random.
Oh!
Wish me luck.
Oh, well, wait.
I know. I'll listen to Chad. I'll keep it in my closet. I just dug my camera out of that mess. So let's hope that I've got some battery. Because I haven't used my vlogging camera for a long time. I've been using my iPhone, which, you know, the lights are good. I'm not gonna turn on artificial lights if the natural light is good. You know what I'm saying? This is what I was thinking in the car. You know how when you're sick and you call your mom just to tell her how sick you are, somehow your mom knowing that you're sick makes you feel just like a little bit better. And let me tell you something I've noticed about myself. When I have a fantastic day and I am on cloud 9, it takes me several days to come off of that cloud 9, you know? It's like I get so happy and excited for days. She's not home? Yeah. Okay, give me just a sec, okay? And when I'm sad, Lincoln's friend can't play, so I'm gonna take him with me to the grocery store, and I told him he could pick out a treat, and he's really excited about that. Okay, what's the thing? When I get sad, it lasts for days, and like I kind of have a hard time picking myself back up. So it's like, it's a good thing that I'm emotional, but it's like to a fault. I think it's a good and bad thing. There's pros and cons. I'm a very emotional person and I carry those emotions with me. And you know, that's fine because I love hard. I get mad easy. All the things. I cry at everything. So let me just tell you a few things that have been making me sad. And I want to put the camera down because it makes my arm really tired. Let's get situated here. Well, the light's not as great down here. No, it's fine. Okay, it's bugging me. I have to get it a little higher. There we go. Okay, perfect. This might feel random because it is random, okay? Oh, well, wait. Let me think. The thing with vlogging is you're telling a story. So you have all these things in your mind sometimes and you just want to get them out, but they have to make sense. So that's what usually why, it's usually why I'm stumbling all the time, because I'm trying to make what I'm thinking make sense. Oh, me feeling sad. Okay, I'm glad I just took a sec to think about it. And you can cut all that out if you want, Joel. I'm just rambling. I have been sad because I have felt rejected. Rejected and just feeling kind of blue in my personal life. I was feeling sad last night. This is what I was leading into. And Aunt Linda called me for the first time. And my mom, so she already has said goodbye to my parents. And if you missed that vlog, where is a tissue? You know what? I'm sitting right here in front of my underwear and sock drawer. Since I don't want to wipe my eyes in front of you with my underwear, I'm going to try to find a sock, but I better hurry because it's going to go down my face. No! I did not do my eye makeup for nothing. I realize I'm a spaz, okay? So Aunt Linda calls me, and you should, and this made me, like, it kicked me right out of feeling sad because her sweet voice on the other end of the phone, I don't know if I said this clearly enough before I spazzed out with the whole sock sitch. My mom and dad officially said goodbye to my Aunt Linda, and it was so tender and so sweet and so sad, but she really took it like a champ. You can watch that video. I'll put it in the description if you missed it. So she started calling me, and when she called, she sounded so happy, fresh, just like, all right, it's me and you, Bon, let's go. And she was telling me about how she went to a barbecue and there was a mishap. We won't go into it, but I told her she was fine and not to worry about it because it was normal. And I think that she felt a little confused because she was wanting to make sure that where I was going to be sleeping. She's like, well, where are you sleeping? And I said, in my bed. Maybe with my parents leaving, she kind of correlated that with like moving or something, or I don't know. And she was like, well, where are your kids? I wish I could, I can hear her voice in my mind, and I wish you could hear it in her voice. But she said, well, where's your kids? And I said, oh, they're down in their bed sleeping too. And just to be funny, I said, well, where are you gonna sleep tonight? And she said, in my bed. And I said, oh, good. I said, so we're all gonna be sleeping in our own beds. Is that what I'm getting out of this? And she's like, yes. And so we laughed about it. And then she was like, now you're gonna be coming and picking me up for the next family reunion. And I could tell that she was trying to get out of me when I would be picking her up. And I was like, I might be new to these phone calls, but I am not new to your tactics. So I said, I promise the next time there's a get together or something, I will let you know and I will come and get you. And she was really excited about that, and she was letting me know where her suitcase was in her closet. And I said, yes, I know that your suitcase is in your closet, and we'll pack it when we're ready, when we need to pack it. And then she like threw such shade at my dad. At my dad, she was like, well, Chad said it has to stay in my closet. And I said, then you listen to Chad. All right, I know, I'll listen to Chad. I'll keep it in my closet. Oh, it was funny. Then at the end of the conversation, I said, Aunt Linda, I am going to go to bed so happy because of our conversation. And I said, thank you for calling me, and I want you to go to bed knowing that I love you so much. And she said, oh, you go to bed and you know I love you too. It was a little more choppy than that on her end, but I knew exactly what she was saying. That's what she meant. And I said, okay. I said, well, you go to bed knowing I love you, and I'll go to bed knowing you love me. And I don't know why this came out of my mouth. I say this to my kids, you know, I love you, baby boy, or come here, baby girl. Like, I say that, so I said, okay, good night, baby girl. And I was like, oh, that was weird. I don't know why I said that. And then before she could hang up her phone, she started laughing and she said, baby girl. And she was telling her staff that I had called her baby girl, and I could hear the like flattery in her voice. Like, she thought that was so funny and so cute that I called her baby girl. And I'm not kidding, Aunt Linda and I went to bed probably the happiest humans on earth. And that is one tiny, small, like, glimpse, an example of a blessing and a benefit that I personally am going to have from my parents going on their mission, is being so close with someone so special. And my dad has always said that Linda is the glue to their family. And it's the perfect example of a silver lining and just finding the good in things that aren't so perfect. I'm really gonna miss my parents. But just in life, there are things that happen that you don't really understand why. And there's a reason. There's a reason, even if it's just making you tough enough to handle the next thing, you know? I don't know, but I hope that you guys enjoyed listening to that story as much as I enjoyed living it. Thank you guys for allowing me to vent to you, because I feel a lot better. I love you guys, and I know that life can feel overwhelming in a good way, overwhelming in a bad way, and just things sometimes that we just don't even understand. But just know that everyone's going through it, you know? Everyone's going through it, and we're all just doing the best we can. And I promise you, you are doing fine. All right, I have a little boy to take to the grocery store. Thank you guys for watching this little vlog with me. I enjoyed telling you the story. Okay, goodbye. Enough rambling.